Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get Eviledon or Spooky or Pumpky and steal a Brainrot. Basically, you're going to grab your Brainrots. I only have this much. Okay, what is going on? I'm just trying to work here. Thank you. So there's a witch fuse section in which you'll need to bring 4 of your Brainrots to basically fuse, and it's going to hopefully give you the Brainrot, the Halloween Brainrot you want. I don't have a lot, as you can see. I just played this game. And I think this game is gonna give me the stress because I don't like when people steal my stuff. But you can just fuse it here in the witch fuse section. And then hopefully you'll get the Brainrot that you'd like, either Eviledon, Spooky, or Pumpky. There's no like specific fusion for it, I think. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.